Hello everyone, going to unbox one pressure cooker from Flipkart. This is Rainberg Trinox Tri-ply stainless steel pressure cooker. Let's see what is the specification of the pressure cooker. So it is made up of 18 by 10 stainless steel which is food safe, durable. 18 by 10 steel is far better than 18 by 8 stainless steel, and it is much more costlier also. So the make of the pressure cooker is of tri-ply, only the body is tri-ply. So you can see that inner layer is 18 by 8, 18 by 10 steel where food is to be cooked. Medium layer is aluminium for quick heating and to avoid any charring or burning which normally occurs in steel pressure cooker. So aluminium will prevent that, and induction base AISI 430 steel. Now coming to the other specification, it is 3-liter pressure cooker, 5 years warranty, and it is IS 2347 mark, that is it is ISI marked, so it is very safe to use. Other specifications are the MRP is 4725 and the details are here. It is tri-ply. This is the meaning of tri-ply. Okay, so now we are going to unbox. So after unboxing, this is the view of the pressure cooker. So this is still lid. It's very good. This is body. Gasket is silicone gasket, which is very much durable, lifetime duration if you use very carefully. It will not turn or tear like black nitrile gasket. So it will last longer. So it's very good. Now coming to the body. So this is body. Here you can see that the thickness is 2.5 millimeter. It's very good and it's very heavy. And this is the lower portion, bottom. Here you can see. It is clearly written Rainberg 3-ply pressure cooker, 18 by 10, and inner medium aluminium and outer normal stainless steel for induction. So it can be used on electric, gas, halogen, induction. ISI mark, it's 3 liter. In closed condition, the cooker looks like that. It has side handle also for lifting, as because this is quite heavy as compared to the normal 3-liter pressure cooker, and handles are 2-screw handle, so more durable. So it's good. It's quite heavy. So I will show you the weight of the cooker. So the weight of the total pressure cooker, 1669, the total pressure cooker weight, and the body weight without lid. The body weight without lid is 1080 gram, that is more than 1 kg, 1 kg 100 grams. So here are 1100 grams. And this is the lid. Lid is very good. And the most important thing which I can show that it's well riveted, not welded. In case of stainless steel welding, sometimes after use the welding may lose and the handle may break. But in case of riveting, this will not happen. So this is the most good thing, what I should say. Whistle weight is 67 gram. So all total is perfect. So now we will check with water and how it whistles. So we already have 5 liter of this Rainberg cooker. It's very good and it's 3 liters. So this is now an oven to check how it works. So after the vapor comes from the tube, then we'll put the whistle. So vapor is coming. Putting the whistle. Let's wait for the whistle. So whistle is very good and the gasket system is working fine, as because the gasket has protruded in normal pressure. So if the pressure will high, then gasket system will work. So another. So it's working properly. I'm switching off the gas. So thanks for watching. The pressure cooker is good, and the most good thing is that MRP is 475 rupees, but it was sold in rupees only 699. So it's a good deal. If you want, you can get it. It's a very good pressure cooker. So we'll come up with another issue or recipe. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.